Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a 2021 Sea Ray 210 SPX Outboard. This model has the full hull Sea Ray blue color. We've got a sports tower with an integrated bimini top, full walk across along the transom that includes the sea deck flooring throughout the boat, into the cockpit as well. This boat is powered by a Mercury 200 horsepower 4-stroke. That's the new V6 3.4 liter motor. Ski pole is standard. We've got a Sunpad here in the transom, which has a fold-up backrest and storage beneath. Lots of storage and access to your bilge area. Great to keep tubes or beach bags. Access to batteries are beneath that hatch, and there's a lockable, closable cockpit door there. Cup holders as you walk in. The aft seat has a built-in cooler beneath, storage beneath the corner, and a removable igloo cooler is beneath the starboard side seat. Upgraded sound system that includes a sub and an amp. Really comfortable helm area. Armrest for the captain. Big oversized seat, sport bucket seat with a bolster that folds down. This seat does swivel and it slides. We've got a 9-inch Simrad touchscreen, Fusion Bluetooth stereo, charging ports and a cup holder, and digital throttle and shift with that Mercury 4-stroke. Up in the bow, we've got cushions on both sides, storage beneath, and an optional bow filler cushion. Storage in the port side console. Another good spot for beach bags or a cooler. Glove box is lockable and drains. That can also serve as a cooler for you. This port side lounger has an adjustable backrest that can face forward or it can face aft. And there's storage beneath. Lastly, you've got a ski locker in the floor that also stores all the boat's canvas. So we do have a bow and a cockpit cover for this boat. And that is a walkthrough of our Sea Ray 210 SPX Outboard. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. We're just off Daniel Island, exit 23A off 526. You can give us a call at 843-747-1889. And always check us out online at marinemax.com. Thanks for watching.